Alright, so we're working on a couple of things today. First, I need to water these flowers. They need some warm water so that they can grow a little better. I'm struggling a little bit this year, hoping that they can be ready. But last week we started working on the stanchion, and we learned that you have to turn your camera sideways or it doesn't look right on YouTube. So here we are. We luckily got some time lapses that we could use. So I'm going to show you those right now. So that's what we did last week. Now we have a couple more things to do. I'll show you that whenever I finish in just a second. But we're gonna put the head gate on, we're going to put the roof on, and then we're also gonna put a feed trough to give her alfalfa or whatever we have to keep her still there for a minute. And once we get those done, I think it'll be ready, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna finish watering these flowers, get out there, and see if I can help Bryce. This is kind of the setup that we have for our flowers. So we have these two lights and then all the trays there. Then we have our chicken eggs, and then we have another one here with this light, and then we have all these trays here. But we need another light here. We just need to get it, maybe even two more lights here and one more light up here because they are reaching a little bit. So I'll give you this look here just to make sure that they're getting the light that they need right now.
All right, without further ado, we have finished our stanchion. It's been a long time coming.
It's finally done.
We started, and we stopped, and we started, and we stopped, and finally we found the time to finish it. Somebody motivated me today to get out here and do it.
That was me.
So I'll take you guys out here, give you a quick little tour. If we can do it without a glare. Maybe let's step over here some. So stanchion is 8 by 8, 8 foot tall on the back wall. The front wall over here is about 6 feet tall. We were able to do pretty cheaply because I was able to reclaim all of this metal from a 100-plus-year-old barn that we tore down on the property that actually used to be right over here, right there, this area, and there's some of the wood from it. And that was a really cool barn. We wanted to save it. We couldn't have done it with the posts that were there. A lot of the wood was salvageable, but the posts were so rotten and termite eaten that we had to just tear it down. So we kept all this metal, and we kept a lot of the good wood for some projects like this around the farm. Then all the wood from this I actually was able to bring home from a job that I had been working on. We just had quite a bit of extra wood, so that was nice. I think the only thing that we've really spent money on were the 4 posts and the screws. So now we've got ourselves a little tray here, which I see a lot of the folks on YouTube with dairy cows are using these. They're just mortar pans. They're roughly 20 by 26 inch mortar pans. And then you want to show them how the head gate works? Yep. So we decided to go with a kind of simple locking mechanism at the top of the head gate. There's a little carriage bolt that runs right through there with a hole drilled, so we can open it up and then we can shut it back when Sassy is in here, and use that carriage bolt to lock it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope everybody out there is finding good ways to make use of the nice weather in the spring, if you're having it.
You gonna move for me? I think it'll work.